Hello guys, today I'm going to be giving you a house tour of my house in BloxBurg, and I'm not trying to brag about any of this. I just love watching these videos on YouTube and I thought I'd do the same. So let's just get right into it. Over here we have plants and lights, and then over here we have a mini soccer court, just a little place where you could play. Over here we have stairs leading down from the second floor to the first floor, so that if you want to go straight to the barbecue area, you can. So I made an outdoor kitchen area so that you can just do things outside. So for here I have a fridge and then a barbecue that doesn't even work, which is pointless, but yeah. Then I have a picture over here and a shelf with necessities and an umbrella and seating area. And I know that black takes most of the sunlight, but I thought it matched my house theme. And since this area, this area is very open and big, because I'm planning to put a pool over here, so that's why it's like this. So we just wrapped around the whole house, and then as you come in, there's a garage right here. It's a photo and just brick walls, and yeah. So let's go through the front door and do up your feet. Not even on the rug, but yeah, we have to wipe our feet. Come inside, and then there's a mirror, a table, and a rack. And then over here is a garage. So then over here we have a big kitchen with the necessities again, with counters, the cabinets, and the fridge, and yeah, some bar stools over here. So that's pretty much the kitchen. So then coming around, we have the dining table or dining room. We have the strawberry picture to match with the pink bar stools over here, and just a big open dining room. Then over here we have a living room with space for people to sit, and 2 shelves and a couple of plants actually over here. Then over here we have a dresser area where you can customize your avatar and you can play with toys on the rug. So as we go up, here is the door that I was talking about that leads to the barbecue area. And over here we have a photo, and if you'd like, comment down below if you want the decal codes, because I can but I can definitely give you the decal IDs if you would like. So comment the photo you want to see the decal of. So then, over here, I have just 2 beds and a lot of lights in this room, just seating area, and yeah, just a normal bedroom. So over here we have a bathroom. It's very big. And over here we just have a couple of rugs, the cabinets, the mirrors, and shower, bath, toilet, photos. Then over here is the master bedroom, which is a big bed with 2 photos on the side and fairy lights and a clock, a radio, and a alarm clock. So here is actually a balcony. It's pretty big in area, just seating area, yeah. Then, we're gonna go to the 3rd floor. So, funny story actually. I wanted the 3rd floor to be smaller than the actual house. So the house is like this big. But then I wanted the 3rd floor to be like half. So I made a big airy balcony over here. But then I realized that the ladder that I made to go up to the 3rd floor is actually on the balcony. So it would be hard if you stood up and then you just fall down over here. So I made a little opening, like closing, with a wall and windows so that you won't fall. But this is the balcony overall with a rug, seating area. I am going to be decorating it more, but as you can see, I'm really broke right now. So, yeah. Coming inside, we have 2 tables over here. And I do have a roof if you're wondering, but yeah, 2 tables over here, a rug, and 3 plants. So let's go in this room. So this room has 3 racks of clothing because I thought that would look good. Like, I thought this was going to be a girl's room, but it doesn't have to be. And we have 3 plants, 4 actually. And then I did this where I put 3 walls against a wall. So like the wall is over here and I put a wall over here. So I have 3 walls over here. And I put windows in them, the ones without glass. So like this. And so I then put them on 3 sides and put the bed inside. So, and I put these curtains, so I kind of made like a little princess canopy bed. Then, this is the last room in the house. So, I made the 2 beds intersect, and I just did the same thing as I did in that room, and I put walls diagonally, and then I put the beds against the walls, so they would be like diagonal, and then they'd connect in the middle. Then I put this table with a plant, and then I have just a rug and 3 tables and a TV. So that's overall like the whole house, I would say, from the 1st floor all the way to the 3rd floor. This is my house. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And if you want, you can comment down below ideas for videos, so some videos that you love to watch. So you can comment down below and then we can film them. And it's just like making the videos that you guys would like. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please comment, subscribe, and like to this channel. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.